My people, no be small thing o. They say that after the Udogachi don come outside, come shout who say men no dey, men dey. No be small thing happen for inside Osumogho. They say that unknown gunmen go visit them. They nearly kpai 2 people o, but I no know whether they kpai abi they no kpai. But for this video, we go show you, may you hear and listen with wetin dey happen for that area as e dey hot. Now we dey bring am dey give una.
No dey. No dey. Who say men no dey? No dey. If you fear, you die. You don't fear. You die. Aguna Chamba. Aguna Chamba. Udogachi. Ekene mo yo muna neba. I know Osumogho. For days now. Mana ndị Osumogho dekwa anya bavuka bevade. Ifele ya na emene kwa na beva nchani nye la beva mwa ajo mu take over. Man, I believe him now. When they call on Kaiku, you go down. The person must go down. When they call on Kaiku, you go down. That's so. I want to law. Here, I don't know Obodo. We go, we mado, we progress. If any need to be Obodo, yeah. They don't know. Marathon no. They are doing in many places. Now after. Many na busigo lo fe. I was to look at one of Osumogho. Osumogho asemo. Oyo gbo 1 year no ni mo fe agbe aputa. Otu a. Onwe one day no ni mo fia. Mo busa sponsor ndi mo ya. Mo bu malu maka ndi imo ya. So na babu no go men mo na babu IPP mo yenwa. Babu ta na ofia. Babu tata utechi. Omo na buta no ta utechi. Abi o yetukwa mmakwalo. Makana we have gone to stay. Yes so. Ona de ya ba so, aga bo so. No going back. So I 1 year no ni mo ya gbe aputa. Onye nwe no kpali ya alo. Kewe na ebe bi obodo a. We dey to so no dem mmadụ dey kidnap ndị mmadụ dey ezu ndị mmadụ ohi. So na na so Biafra. Kwakofa na aguna Chamba abatago. Biafra bụ ebe a. Ifa na so Biafra na-etita si anị mmadụ. Na-ele nwanne gị, na-emekacha nwanne gị, na-etita so no ndị mmadụ. Na ọmalụ so na alụta ina eme we destroy obodo mmadụ site na so Biafra. Asị m na edozi anyị edozi ya. Ndị Osumogho ma support nna agwunu bụ support we unu yenye debe anyị bụ egwu anyị si anyị na onye eso ma na onye esoro ma onye apụta n'ọbịa financially any the support unu all the way maka we are going to stay. Yes sir. Aguna Chamba. Aguna Chamba. Udogachi. Usebe no dey. Usebe no dey. Usebe no dey. If you fear, if you don't fear, all die na die. So thank you. Dalono.
Agwara m unu agwa o. Udo nke nna m dekwara unu daalụkwa n'ori nna. Ebe m alaka ka were this my voice. Chọrọ m wee gbara m voice a mee ka voice a ruoro m eze Kosman ntị. Mee ka voice a ruoro m Zumas ntị. Mee ka voice a ruoro m ndị niile ọ dịla aka. Maka na onye ji aka m onwe ya asịkwala na mmadụ mere ya. Si ise ọka iso ji nwa ya jụọrọ nwa onwe ya amụ oyi. Enwe onye chụrụ oke iso, enwe onye chụrụ uche. Enwe onye chụrụ any one of them. Na adịkwa very much happy. Ịdị min wee la ga-akpapụ abụla abụ acha ha acha. La ga-akpapụ aṅụ n'ọrụ onwe ya. Anọkwara m onwe m kịta. Na nke ikpeazụ a onye ọla kechikwa akwa ya ike. Onye bekwele. Maka na ọ bịara igbu mgbu onwe ya abụọkwa ajọ ọgụ. Ọ bịara igbu mgbu onwe ya abụọkwa ajọ ọgụ. Let Biafrans hear my voice. Let Biafrans hear my voice. We are only fighting for our freedom and the freedom of our people. We are only defending the motherland for the enemies not to enter. Onye ọlọsọ kwara ya le use your DOS le use unu ihe a. Onye ọbụla ọsọ kwara ya le use unu ihe a through DSS. Jokwa na-ese ọgụ a Britain lụrụ ha alụnwụ gị. Ọgụ a France lụrụ ha alụnwụ gị. Ọgụ a all these Arabic nation, Arabic countries use in Nigeria, Nigeria. Ha emenwu ihe nọ n'ime ya. Now, a Fulani man agwala unu okwu sị it is only Igbo that can conquer Igbo. There's no any tribe that can fight Igbo and win Igbos, except you use Igbo to Igbo. And this is what is happening now. This time around, I want time Ojuku. Lorogo Biafra. Oh, Ala Bago, La Kwegu, Alaza Kwegu. I know the reason why you are going to go. And here I got my last voice. Unuga went again. And when you can next one, only have me on net. But I can't go you not to Lekogua. Let the world hear this my voice. Let the people hear my voice. But I'm boy energy. Unuga no in another way around though. And the tall Unus only an agide like that. I can agwa Mugagwa, Naka Magwagwa Bokoti. I would
Hey! Hey! I will attack you now. I will attack you! Kill the other guy! Kill the other guy! You okay? Don't worry. Let's go. Get here! I will attack. Move the motor. Oh boy. I will attack now. Serious attack. Get motor. Serious attack.
They attacked Udogachi men yesterday. They shot 2 people. The Udogachi men, they shot 2 people at Osumogho yesterday. This thing is as a result of the video they made last week when they were warning all the people that are disturbing the people at Osumogho in Anambra State there. They made a video telling all the Onongo men that is around that area to vacate the area, to leave the area so that people will start living in peace again. That they are fully there now to start operations, this, that. After making that video, we have not heard that Udogachi people attacked or rescued people or even shot any of these unknown gunmen. Now, they were the first people to be attacked. And they shot 2 people among the Udogachi men. I don't know why the security agencies, some of these security agencies, are making videos in a vital issue, in a very big sensitive issue that they're supposed to tackle on their own diligently. They are making videos every time. Now you when one attack person, they don't first attack you. I don't know, video every time, video warning every time, unpacko every time. All the charm we wanna put for body, that day we wanna they make that video. Now they both una and that charm now they don't bring you down. Una never even strike upon all the preparation, all the talking and everything. Una no never even strike for bush. So okay, we don't shot 5 of them. We don't rescue this. We don't rescue that. We don't bust their camp. Una never do any of this thing. Now they don't first attack una because of that because of that too much talk, because of say una lack security, una lack the capacity. I don't know. You people lack the capacity, the sense to do this very security diligently, very well, in a matured way. Now they don't attack una. Other people should learn. Security issue is a sensitive issue that should be secretive. Not be everything that they carry on they enter social media up and down. The enemy will now know your plan and strike first.
Ekene m achọrọ m ikwu okwu gbasara dis video ndị Udogachi na-etrend ndị mere attack na Osumogho ndị ha jere ndị ha chọrọ eje ndị mere ha attack. Yes, anyị fụrụ na the video fụ ebe ha na-ekwu na ya nọ under serious heavy attack na emere ya attack. Mana mgbe dis video na-etrend, aga m na comment sections dị iche iche ebe m watch gasa wee fụ ka ndị mmadụ si enwe aṅụrị na emere ndị ọrụ nchekwa anyị attack na-asị kedu ihe na-emezi ndụ na-protect lives and property. Anyị kwesịrị na-ekpere ma ọ na-sympathize with them ma ọ na ihe ndabido ha ya na-sympathize with them. Maka anyị maka Anambra State dị before Udogachi bata Anambra State, before na-adị abata Anambra State abata, ndị mmadụ na-eme mgbafusi. So many communities mere their houses abandon, bụgasịa n'obodo gbafusie. Mana kịta nnukwu ihe dị iche dị onye ọ na-agwa onwe nke wee eziokwu. Mana adị surprise na ndị a na-echekwa ndụ onwezi ihe mezinu anaghị amụ ha amụ wee sị ka njụọ ndị Udogachi kedu.
My people, I want you to cut this part of this video and send it to any platform you want to send it to. If you can, you can also share the full video. I want to say this thing here for free. Igbo, what is happening? Keheneme. What is really happening? Ahem Choreju. Keheneme. So, in Igbo land now, Udogachi, Ebubago, Akodo, Ishi monkey, Ishi enwe, Agụnwa. So all this security are created to fight against each other. So all this security created by the governors was not created to chase away Fulani, because I have not seen you people taking Fulani serious. So all the security is against your own people who say we are fighting for freedom. But let us leave everything aside. In Nigeria today, Igbo is the only tribe that will not be conquered. But with what I'm seeing now, we are likely to be conquered if we do not take time. If we do not tread with caution, we are likely to be conquered. Because the masters that give you this gun ask you to be chasing ESN, chasing government, chasing this person, chasing this person. It did not give you the gun to go and protect your land, but rather it gave you the gun to go and buy your brother. So how long would we continue to be buying our brother? This is the question. How long will we continue to be buying ourselves? At the time never reach for us to leave all those things. We will tie for face, tie for body, all those things. Time never reach for us to keep this and ask ourselves question: which way forward? Are we really comfortable here where we are for this country? And face the main enemy. You don't know that if you are free from your colonial master, from your oppressors, it's very easy for you to go to your brother. You call him Papa Emeka. Any him na ejiri wete ego sugo n'ụzọ m na-aga na gị chọrọ ire. Than for you to from here and go to Sokoto to ask Alhaji Danjima why it does not allow you to take the money and to build your road. It's very easy to ask your brother question. To go to Ebonyi State and ask Ebonyi State, one na let him chọrọ ire ụzọ, let him have the problem. Ngwa wete dị ego ebe na chọrọ ya ka onye ọzọ kọrọ. So there's a lot of things we need to think and to talk about. Let us stop all these governors using you. If you buy, you don't buy, nobody go take after your family. Nobody go take care of you. You don't buy, and you buy for nothing. You buy for waiting your papa no create. You buy for waiting your mama no create. You buy for nothing. Because if the governors really want peace in Igbo land, look at in Yoruba land, they have OPN. Look at now, Yoruba land now, Sunday Igboho has insecurity, just like Nanikali created ESN. In Yoruba, in the other part of Asari Dokubo has in Asari Dokubo, in armed men with heavily armed. So why any one of you have your private security, apart from the one that government created? And any day that government step aside, and they see you, government see you as a threat, they will collect all the gun from you. You go and you go back to your block modding. So, Ndi Igbo, ask yourself questions. Enough of all this nonsense. Enough of all this nonsense. I was thinking maybe all this security was created to chase the main enemy, but it was created to chase their own brother. Guys, more than drop on our own opinion inside comment section and share this video for more updates.